Hey, hello, Shine.
Hi, Thomas.
Yeah, and hi, I'm Thomas. I'm represent the Taiwan largest industrial analysis. It's called IK Consulting. We are lucky to be invited to the Brainchip companies in Swiss, and we love to introduce interviews about the Brainchip company about their benefit and advantage to the world. Hi, Sean.
Hi, Thomas. I look forward to talking about Brainchip. You want me to tell you a little bit about us?
Sure, give me the impressive.
Okay, well, great. So Brainchip is an IP provider for people who are going to build edge chips, chips that are going to do the inference on the edge device. And as we walk the show at CES, you can see the wave of companies introducing many, many products, all looking for very high performance and low power on the edge. And that's where we specialize. Our approach is event-based or neuromorphic, which yields incredible power savings at a very high performance level. So what we do is basically provide the IP to do the inference for people who build custom chips. In addition, we've got groundbreaking algorithms as well. There are state-based models, which provide great performance and low power as well. You put those together, we have industry-leading performance across all sectors, including we have many engagements in Taiwan right now.
Wow, I listen to the very importance. You have very great in business in Taiwan, and your topics include edge computing on chip. That's very famous because energy saving edge computing is very hot
That's
in
right.
CES 2025. So let me give more surprising or image for us.
Sure. I mean, when I met you earlier today, you look, drones, very high interest, wearable devices like rings, hearing aids, things you put on your eyes to do that. IoT, AIoT devices, they're going to do some inference. Medical, auto. The use cases are very, very varied and very, very strong. Now, the industry is moving very quickly from two trends: data center centric world, training centric world, quickly to inference becoming more important than training. People recognizing that's where the real magic is in distributing that workload to the edge. So we're in that very right place with the right technology for this trend.
Yeah, and we know now the trends that include very high bandwidth computing, and the other data is from edge computing. They will provide many signals from machine, from bodies, and from brains. And I recognize your your company name is called Brand Chip. So what's the connection
Sure.
between brand and chip?
Sure. So when I mentioned the word neuromorphic, neuromorphic means mimicking how the brain is. The brain is the most efficient computation engine in the world, right? If you think what your brain can do with so little energy, it's very, very efficient. So the brain part of it is the power element that we try to stress, which is the ability to do all this inference and compute with very little power. The chip, of course, is pretty intuitive because we're helping people build chips to do it. So mimic the brain, low power in a chip form factor.
Oh, so I know the brand have many function, not only physic, and they also can provide the many work or life and more efficiently. So your algorithm, what's the benefit or function is many critical or very important for the new future for next 5 years.
Yeah, that's a great question because if you look at the way the world works and computing industry that's been around for decades, we've always done this traditional von Neumann architecture, which is, if you think about it, very inefficient. It's a lot of multiplications, zeros and ones, repetitive, wasted energy. When you're event-based like we are, or neuromorphic or event-based, whatever you want to call it, when nothing is happening, you ignore that. So the benefit is you're not doing anything, so you're not spending energy and cycles on your compute cycle to do it. And what I always say, a good example of that is when you meet people, right? When you meet new people, most of us have two eyes, nose, and mouth. And so when you meet them, you're just looking for the differences.
Yes.
Hair color, do they wear glasses? Do they have a beard? Things like that.
Mm-hmm.
But if you had to learn the facial structure every time,
Oh yeah,
it'd be very
right.
inefficient.
Yeah.
So that's what I like to think about is when you're event-based, you're just very efficient because you're ignoring things that don't matter.
Like me, I usually forget someone. So you can help us.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, pretty good. And we know that Taiwan has very good the semiconductor in infrastructure, manufacturing, design, and also the packaging. So this year, Taiwan government also supports the Taiwan not TTA and ITRI. We have the big booth. And do you have any connection with us, and we can run the collaboration together?
We look forward to doing that. I like your opening comment. We have a great degree of respect for Taiwan and the industry. Its leadership is unquestioned in the world. The innovation is unquestioned in the world. And, we're an innovative company with innovative products. We see great potential and really, really want to work well in Taiwan. And so we would love to collaborate with you.
Okay, thank you. And also, we are from the ITRI Industrial Technology Research Institute, the largest research lab in Taiwan, and we got many awards every year, like R&D 100, and we also are the R&D lab and the commercialization process. And maybe we can think more opportunities to work together. And we also have the venture capital, it's called ITIC. So what do you suggestion or for our future collaborations?
I see it pretty much as limitless. First of all, technology is all about collaboration. You never want to do it alone. A lot of good things happen when you collaborate. Innovation, smart people, young people. So I think to me, I would love to plug in and really to look at the ideas and the talent of people more so than anything else. It's just good people and good talent. I look forward to starting it virtually. I mentioned on our walk over here from the trade show floor that I go to Taiwan several times a year, and I look forward to visiting on site and coming up with some really creative ideas where we can work together.
So what's the good news or any secret you want to show us?
Well, we haven't had a chance to show the demos, but we've got several demos here today. And when we're done with this, we certainly can talk about some of the more innovative ones here, where we're showing some LLM activity on the edge.
Okay.
And so the LLM is based off of our proprietary algorithm called TENS, which is a state-based model. And we have amazing results. And the use cases are so varied, is where you really need to do that kind of processing in AI activity, whether it's in appliances or cars and things like that. It used to be thought only possible in the data center. It's quickly moving to the edge, and Brainchip is in a leadership position in that space.
Well, that's important. Yes, because the handbag with the memory now is
latency, security.
Yes. Not only they include the cooling system, the climate change, and also about computing powers. Yeah, a lot of this. So I can't wait to see your demo later.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go.